Ako si Binibini 22, Shari Nagyao, nagmula sa progresibong lalawigan ng Pampanga. DASE, Developing ITAS Strength Through Empowerment. DASE, which means banig in Tagalog, is the main fabric material of this masterpiece. The palay grains represent Pampanga's fertile soil and our hard-working farmers. The crown symbolizes the devotion and high spirituality of Pampanga's patron saint, the miraculous Virgen de los Remedios. Pampanga, a place full of love and a place full of dreams. There may be the toughest time when the Kapampangan region was devoured by calamities. Serenity was lost, but the pride and joy remained in every Kapampangan's heart, which regained who we truly are. Strong-willed, intense, willing to extend hands to build unity. And I am a Kapampangan. Pag maragul ko, Kapampangan ko.
This national costume reflects the light of peace in the midst of the current global darkness. This light of peace is represented by a traditional Christmas symbol in Angeles City, the distinct Parol Angeles, which forms the base of the costume. Characterized by its simplicity yet intricacy in design, this local lantern traces its origin in the century-old tradition of Lubena's Ning Pasko, the culmination of a 9-day prayer vigil leading to the Christmas day. This is the same symbolic light that guided the local farmers in attending the Mass at dawn before proceeding to their field works. This tradition extended to the present generation as Simbang Gabi. One symbolic intention of this lantern procession, the fish, which represents prosperity, is depicted by the lame fabric details that resemble the fish scale. This masterpiece aspires to bring hope and prosperity as the world anticipates for the most wonderful time of the year, the Christmas season. Yaku po i Maria Francesca Taruk, menibatan keng syudad ning Angeles, Pampanga.
Ako si Binibini 26, Noriza May Valerio ng Arayat, Pampanga. This creation is inspired by the mythical goddess of Mount Arayat, Maria Sinukuan, who lived on Mount Arayat. She is also dubbed as the sacred protector of the mountain and the animals that surround it. Pampanga is known as a natural bird haven in the Philippines, wherein 14,000 kinds of nomadic birds gather each year in the swamps as a stopover before continuing their migration to different parts of the world. These birds are important to humans in various ways, such as providing natural fertilizers and dispersing seeds all over the mountain. This goddess characterizes kindness among animals and generosity to its inhabitants. This ensemble is a magnificent symbolism of the rich and colorful heritage of Pampanga.
I'm Binibini for Arian Desiree Biardo. Hails from the Christmas capital and the home of the giant lanterns, the city of San Fernando, Pampanga. Wearing a Parol Terno-inspired costume. The Parol is an ornamental star-shaped Christmas lantern, traditionally made of bamboo and paper. It represents the Star of Bethlehem, which guided the 3 wise men to the manger where Christ the child was born. In the yesteryears, the lighted Parol illuminated the paths of the Filipino during the ritual dawn masses of the Yuletide season. Today, it does not only symbolizes the victory of light over darkness, it is also a testament of the Filipino people's resilience.